Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's Bubs, also known as Bubsbee, and I have peanut hair. It's a peanut hair day. I wanted to give you guys another tutorial, a quick quarantine hairstyle for fussy, cranky toddlers who have thick, coarse hair. Even if they have fine strands, this video is just right for you. So make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, let's just get started. She has 4 cornrows, and I tend to gravitate toward cornrows for her hair because it's very thick and this saves a lot of time. And during this day, she needed a refresh, but it wasn't old enough to actually wash her hair. And if it was old enough, I was too tired to give her a full wash day. So we are opting out to re-braiding. You can see I have 1 braid already completed, already finished, and it took no time. This style only takes about a half hour to 45 minutes, depending on what's going on. So I am first going to saturate the braid first with warm water, just so it's a lot easier to take the braid out and she's not getting any unwanted tugging or pulling. After that is done, you can see her hair is very thick and full, so I need to separate this section into a small section so I can focus on adding some moisture and detangling. So I'm going to use this Mael leave-in conditioner. This actually works really well for her hair when it comes to slip, and it does leave her hair very soft. So I'm going to use this to help detangle. This is going to be my detangling agent. I broke the section down into an even smaller section, and then I'm going to finger comb. When it comes to mid-week styling, especially quick styles, I tend to use my fingers first and then go in with a tool. Sometimes I won't use a tool, but if I'm doing quick braids, chunky braids, I want to make sure her hair is thoroughly detangled. Eventually I will go in with the detangling tool. So you just want to start at the ends and work your way up. I'm using a wider tooth comb first to get any lint and any knots out of her head. Then I'm going to go in with my Curls Dynasty Twisted Definition. This is going to add moisture, lock in the moisture, seal in the moisture. It's going to aid in definition and softness as well. This product also has a ton of slip, so you can use it as a detangler as well. I am going to seal with this oil from Comet Biologics. It's a thicker oil, and I tend to like this on her hair to seal in the moisture. She has high porosity hair, so it's very easy for the moisture to get in her strands, and the moisture gets out of her strands even quicker. So we want to seal all the moisture in with the sealant, and this oil does a great job at that. Once that is done, I'm going to move on to the next section and repeat those same steps. I'm detangling this section with my fingers. I'm combing it out. I'm going to add some of the Twisted Definition and then seal the section in with the oil. So her edges are a lot shorter than the full length of her hair. I try to comb that section out by itself first, and then I can comb it together with the whole section. Now to add a little sleekness, I am going to use a little edge control. I don't do this all the time. I really only did it for the video because I don't like to use a ton of edge control in their hair. But this edge control is really good at smoothing the flyaways, but not leaving the hair stiff. It's still going to be movable after. So now it's time to braid the hair. I'm not that great at corn rowing, French braiding. I'm not that great at braiding, but over the years of having a lot of children, I have learned how to do it somewhat. Okay, decent. It's decent. Okay, that's all we need. At least it's decent. Okay, so I'm just going to cornrow this section. You can see those braids are looking crispy. They're looking crispy. Come on now. Come on, do a little down. I can do some now. So I just repeat those same steps all over. I moisturize the section, detangle the section, and then I'm just going to plait it up. That's pretty much it. This is pretty much my go-to quarantine hairstyle when it comes to her hair, because she has a lot of hair and it's very thick. This saves a lot of time. She still looks cute and put together, and she is also happy because she is not crying and fussing along the way. And this is the next day. I make sure to put a do-rag so her hair can set even further, and she is so pretty and gorgeous. I love this hairstyle. Like I said, it's very quick and easy, and she looks super cute. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. I'm pretty sure she was asking for something at this moment, because that's her asking face. She's trying to see if she can get something. So make sure you leave any questions down below. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.